Today I will be teaching you how to model a snowman, using only standard primitives in 3ds Max. Part 1 of 2. Let's start. Step 1. Go to the Create panel, click on the sphere object. Then on the Perspective viewport, click and drag out a sphere. In the Create panel parameters, set the sphere's radius to 20. Step 2. Select the Move tool icon. Or press the shortcut key W. Now, go back to the Perspective view. Next, press and hold Shift on the keyboard, then click and drag up on the Z-axis to create a clone of the sphere. You can let go of the Shift key now. The Clone option dialog box will appear, click on Copy, then click on OK. Step 3. This will be the head of our snowman. Select the second sphere, go to the Modify tab, then set its radius to 12. Now let's create the nose. Step 4. On the Create panel, click on the cone object. In the viewport, left-click and drag to set the cone's radius. Then let go of the left mouse button and drag the mouse up to set its height. Next, click one more time and drag the mouse down to make the top part of the cone smaller. Step 5. Let's set the size of the nose. Select the cone, then go to the Modify panel, set the radius 1 to 2. And the height to 15. Next, using the Move tool, position the nose in front of the head. Use the different viewports to help position the nose properly. Next, use the Rotate tool, and rotate the nose by 90 degrees, press A to toggle angle snap. Or you can type in 90 in the x-axis on the status bar at the bottom of the user interface. Now, let's create the eyes. Step 6. Go to the Create panel, and click on Cylinder. In the viewport, click and drag to set its radius, then let go of the mouse button, and drag up to set its height. Right-click to finish the command. Next, in the Modify panel, with the cylinder still selected, set its radius to 2 and its height to 1. Using the Move tool and the Rotate tool, position the eye on the head. Next, press and hold Shift, then click and drag on the cylinder to create a new instance of the cylinder. Use the Move and Rotate tool to position it on the other side accordingly. Next, let's create its hat. Step 7. Go back to the Create panel, select the cone object again. In the viewport, create a new cone object. Same as before, click and drag to set its radius, then let go of the mouse button and drag up to set its height. Next, click again and drag down to make the cone's top part small. Go to the Modify panel. Set the cone's radius 1 to 8 and its height to 20. Using the Move and Rotate tool, position the hat over our snowman's head. Again, use the other viewports to your advantage to better position the hat. Congratulations! You now have successfully finished part 1. See you on the next video.